Welcome to SakshiEducation.com. So today we are discussing about the current affairs of December 1st to 15th of 2018. So first half of December 2018 current affairs we are discussing here. So the very first here is the persons in news. First it is Raninder Singh. So Raninder Singh is being elected as the new Vice President of ISSF. So International Shooting Sports Federation. So this was established in 1907 with the headquarters at Munich of Germany. And its president is Vladimir Lesin, and newly an Indian was being appointed as the vice president of this ISSF. So International Shooting Sports Federation. So the person is Raninder Singh. So remember the name, Raninder Singh is being appointed as a vice president of International Shooting Sports Federation, which is in Munich of Germany. And earlier, so he is currently working as the president of NRAI, so National Rifle Association of India. And coming to the other person, it is Pawan Singh. So Pawan Singh is being appointed as the ISSF's Judge Committee. So he is one of the member in Judge Committees in ISSF. So Pawan Singh as well as Raninder Singh. So both are the Indians who are being appointed for the International Shooting Sports Federation. Next, UC Dhyani. So the former judge of Uttarakhand, UC Dhyani, was being appointed by NGT, National Green Tribunal, as the head of a committee to oversee the rejuvenation works of Ganga. So for the Clean Ganga mission, for the rejuvenation of the Ganga, so UC Dhyani was being appointed to oversee the works of the Ganga rejuvenation works by NGT, National Green Tribunal. So National Green Tribunal was established in the year 2010 with the headquarters New Delhi, and its new chairman is Adarsh Kumar Goyal. So this is also an important point for examination. So chairman of NGT is Adarsh Kumar Goyal. Okay, and the next person is Dr. Ajay Bhushan Pandey. So Ajay Bhushan Pandey was being appointed as the Revenue Secretary under the Ministry of Finance. So this Bhushan Pandey is serving as CEO of UIDAI. So remember UIDAI, Unique Identification Authority of India, which is an apex body for Aadhaar cards, for Aadhaar. So Bhushan Pandey will serve as CEO of UIDAI. Okay. Accordingly, he will continue as the Revenue Secretary to the Ministry of Finance. Next, David Tait. David Tait is appointed as the new CEO of Gold, that is World Gold Council. And this World Gold Council is an international organization, okay, for the market development of gold industry. So it works across all parts of the world in gold industry, from gold mining to gold investments. So World Gold Council, which was established in 1987, okay, following. So its new CEO is David Tait. So David Tait replaced Aram Seshmania. So in place of Aram Seshmania, David Tait was being appointed as the CEO of World Gold Council. Okay. Next, Salom Jurishvili. So Salom Jurishvili is being elected as the new president of Georgia at the age of 66 years. Okay, the world woman, and she becomes the first female president of Georgia. And the Georgia is in Europe. Okay, it is in between Europe and Asia. So she is being elected as the president of Georgia. Okay, and the Georgia's capital city is Tbilisi with the currency Georgian lari. The next person is Andres Manuel Lopez Obrador. So he is elected as the new President of Mexico, Actually, he was elected in the month of July 2018, and recently in December he sworn in as the new president of Mexico. Next, Ajay Narayan Jha. Okay, Ajay Narayan Jha took over as a new finance secretary under the Ministry of Finance. Next, T.S. Vijayan. So, T.S. Vijayan was appointed as additional director of Yes Bank. So, Yes Bank is a private bank. So, T.S. Vijayan, he was former chairman of IRDAI. Okay. So, it is an insurance regulator development authority of India. So, he served as chairman for IRDAI. Okay. Now, he is being appointed as additional director for Yes Bank Limited. Okay. So, remember even Arundhati Bhattacharya was appointed as additional director for Wipro Limited. Okay, even for bankbazaar.com. In the previous classes we have learned about it. Okay, following. So, therefore, very important persons who served in public sector undertakings, okay, following in the government organizations were being appointed in the private firms. So, even Arundhati Bhattacharya is serving as director for Reliance Industries Limited too. Okay, so therefore, now it is the term for DAI, ex-chairman of IRDAI, okay, T.S. Vijayan, who is being appointed as an additional director for Yes Bank. Okay. Next, Swapna Burman. So, Swapna Burman, remember she is a Indian athlete who was being appointed as the brand ambassador of SBI's YONO app. So, Swapna Burman is being appointed as the brand ambassador of SBI's YONO app. So, YONO, YONO, you only need one. So, this is a app, so replacing Buddy. So, now Buddy is no more an app, okay, mobile app for SBI. So, in place of it, YONO was being developed, okay, for promoting YONO, okay. So, Swapna Burman was being appointed as a brand ambassador, okay, and Swapna Burman has recently won gold medal in Asian Games. Next, Preeti Saran. So, Preeti Saran, she is a former senior Indian diplomat. She was being elected as head of Asia Pacific seat on the Committee on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights of UNO for 4 years. Okay, so she will serve as the head of Asia Pacific seat on the Committee of Socio-Economic and Cultural Rights of UNO, okay, for 4 years. So, remember Preeti Saran, okay, fine, she is a senior Indian diplomat. Next, Shamila Batohi. So, she is an Indian origin woman, okay, first female appointed as the head of South Africa's National Prosecuting Authority. She will serve as the National Director for South Africa's National Prosecuting Authority. She is the first female as well as the first Indian origin woman to appoint for such a post. She is it's an honorable thing for India. So, therefore, okay, the examiner will focus on such issues. Okay, so who is Shamila Batohi? Okay, might be the question. Next, Atul Sahai. So, Atul Sahai is being appointed as the new CMD of National Assurance Company, that is New India Assurance Company Limited, okay, for a term of 5 years, replacing G. Srinivasan. So, the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet has appointed Atul Sahai as the new CMD of New India Assurance Company Limited. Next, Krishnamurthy Subramaniam is being appointed by the new economic advisor of India in place of Arvind Subramaniam, okay, who resigned to his post in June 2018. So, in place of Arvind Subramaniam, Krishnamurthy Subramaniam was being appointed as a new economic advisor to the government of India. So, next, Amitabh Chaudhary was appointed as additional director for Axis Bank Board. In coming years, he will replace Sikha Sharma. So, he will be the head of Axis Bank Limited in the coming years. Okay, even remember Sikha Sharma, who is the CMD of Axis Bank, okay, following. Reserve Bank of India has halted her 4-year term recently. So therefore, very soon, okay, Amitabh Chaudhary may took as the head of Axis Bank Limited in place of Shikha Sharma. Okay. Next, James Quincy. So James Quincy elected as the 14th chairman of Coca-Cola Company Limited. Okay, so Coca-Cola Company Limited was established in the year 1978 in US. Okay, and its new president was also being elected. Okay, so it is Brian Smith. Okay, so James Quincy is the chairman of Coca-Cola Limited, and Brian Smith is the new president of Coca-Cola Company Limited. And very important for examination point of view and shocking news for economic parameters, that is Urjit Patel, okay, so has become the ex-governor of RBI. So he was appointed in the year 2016 as the new 24th governor of Reserve Bank of India, okay, and he took charge on 4th of September 2016, and recently on 10th of December 2018 he resigned. Okay, following. So 24th governor of Reserve Bank of India, Urjit Patel, resigned to the Reserve Bank of India. Okay, and in that place a new governor, that is 25th governor of RBI, was being appointed on 11th of December 2018. Okay, fine, and the name of the person is Shaktikanta Das. So Shaktikanta Das, IAS, okay, retired from Tamil Nadu country, has been appointed as the new and 25th governor of Reserve Bank of India by ACC, okay, due to the resignation of Urjit Patel. And the Shaktikanta Das was served as G20 Sherpa of India. So he was representing India for G20, and recently G20 conference was also being held in Buenos Aires of Argentina. So we will have a gist about it in international affairs. Okay, following. So remember Shaktikanta Das, okay, and also remember Urjit Patel. So Urjit Patel served for only 2 years. Okay, fine. So he was being replaced. Okay, so in place of Raghuram Rajan. Okay, so from 2013 to 2016 it was Raghuram Rajan, 16 to 18 it was Urjit Patel. Now from 11th of December 2018 it is Shaktikanta Das serving as the governor of Reserve Bank of India. So having very broad knowledge about finance, okay, and serving in Ministry of Finance for nearly 15 years. So Shaktikanta Das was being named as the new governor of Reserve Bank of India by Appointments Committee of the Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, so therefore RBI new governor as well as chief economic advisor. So these people are very important. Okay, fine, who are being replaced recently. Next, Rajiv Mehrishi. Okay, so Rajiv Mehrishi is currently serving as COG of India, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. So he is being appointed as Vice Chairman of the UN Panel of Auditors. So he will take charge as UN head of this UN Panel of Auditors till 2020. So he is going to serve for 2 more years. Okay, following. So next, so KCR. Okay, so K. Chandrasekhar Rao, okay, sworn in as the second term CM of Telangana. So on 13th of December, in presence of Governor of Telangana, ESL Narasimhan, okay, so KCR has took the oath of office as the CM of Telangana for the second term. And Anil Srivastava. So Anil Srivastava is serving as the principal advisor to Niti Aayog. Okay, fine. Now the ACC has reappointed him. Okay, fine, as the principal of advisor, okay, of Niti Aayog. Okay, it means he is going to serve for 6 more months for Niti Aayog. Okay, at the same time, Anil K. Dasmana was being reappointed as the chief of RAW, okay, Research and Analysis Wing of Intelligence Wing. Okay, fine. It is India's Foreign Intelligence Service. Okay, so therefore ACC has appointed Anil K. Dasmana, okay, so to continue as the chief of Raw Research and Analysis Wing. Next, Brijendra Pal Singh. So, Brijendra Pal Singh is the new president of FTII, Film and Television Institute of India. So, he replaced Anupam Kher. So, Anupam Kher is a Bollywood veteran actor, okay, so who was serving as the president of Film and Television Institute of India. Now, he is being replaced by Bajendra Pal Singh. And finally, it is Stan Lee. So, Stan Lee is a co-creator of Spider-Man and Iron Man, okay, so who recently died at the age of 95 years, okay, so due to cardiac arrest. So, these are the persons very important for examination point of view. So, please remember this, and our advice from Sakshi is, please elaborate these issues, because here due to time limit, okay, we will give you a gist, okay, so to boost up your knowledge in current affairs. Okay, so this is very, of course, this is very important, very helpful for the candidates, aspirants, okay, fine, so who want to learn in short period, okay, following. So, within the given short time, if you want to have a complete knowledge about the December current affairs, okay, you can definitely have 100%, okay, following knowledge here in SakshiEducation.com.